the reason they use lime for shields. That's because they don't split. I think it's going to be a soft.
Can it get off?
Split it to half, I'll get both projects out there. Go. Okay, so really, really rough shape. So I'm going to try and form the bowl now with a little adze. See what happens. Ooh. Really rough shaped, so let's get it on the draw knife and the shave force. Okay, it's a big scoop. It's 400mm long, so about 16 inches, 4 inches wide, 100mm wide, and that's about 8 inches, so 200mm. It'll hold over half a kilo of grain. It's a nice big scoop. It's got a good, nice feel to it. It's fits in the hand really nice. It's not perfect. I've not spent ages and ages smoothing it up. I've just done it with the knife and the draw knife. It's got gouge marks all inside. I'll let it dry. Maybe I'll smooth it up a bit. I doubt I will. I think it will get smoothed in use. It's not Instagram worthy. It is just a practical scoop, which is what I want. I'm going to oil it now. I'm going to use some tongue oil. And I'm going to hope that that slows it down so it doesn't split. Obviously, there are some slight different thicknesses. If you try and keep it roughly the same, it should kind of even out on the drying. But yeah, like I said, it's not perfect. It's not going to get 1,000 likes on Instagram. But what it is a really practical scoop that can be used for years and years and years. It took me an hour to make it. So if you've liked this and you like this scoop and my ethos behind it, please give me a like and a subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.